Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. So as you head out, you're going to encounter some rain and some patchy fog throughout the morning. We could likely eventually see a little bit of a mix in the western counties, mainly later on this evening. But a few snowflakes have been mixing in with this rain already, so that is still certainly possible throughout the morning. This is that storm system that's moving across the area, still in the northern plains, but that area of low pressure will skirt right across parts of the southern UP and then through the northern lower in the next day to 2 days. It's going to bring in a variety of precip, mainly rain today and then eventually snow by the time Friday arrives. So right now what we're seeing is some light, steady rain showers along the Wisconsin state line, more in the form of very light drizzle in parts of Ontonagon. Over in western Iron County, we're seeing that mix occur with some snow. And then steady rain showers in the central UP extending through parts of Escanaba. But for the areas across the south, that's where we're seeing moderate to heavy rain at this moment. So if you're in Menominee County, this is where the core of the heavy rain is located at, right over Daggett along 41 near Cedarville and right over M35, also extending through parts of 180 as well. Rainfall amounts for today. Most places around ½ of an inch, about 0.8 of an inch of rain in parts of the central UP, least amounts across the west, and then some isolated locations in the eastern counties could push to near an inch of rain for today. So plan on a rainy but a relatively mild and seasonal day. Temperatures in the low to near mid 40s. Wind flow out of the southeast, a little bit of a breeze, 8 to 12 for speeds. Temperatures will be mildest to the west. Mid 40s expected there, lower to near mid 40s in the central counties, upper 30s to around the 40-degree mark across the east. Here's that swath of rain that'll continue to develop throughout the morning hours. This model kind of overdoes the intensity, but it gives you the idea of the track of it. Increasing in intensity across the eastern counties later on in the morning. By that point in time, a break along the Wisconsin state line into the west. We will have a couple of hours of a break once that swath moves east through the early afternoon. But then by late afternoon, here's 5 o'clock, we see the development of some scattered rain showers in the interior western counties. To the east, we'll kind of have a break. Then by tomorrow morning, we're looking at a little bit of rain and snow mixed with some snow across the west end of the UP. There's more of a west to east split tomorrow with mainly wet snow across the western counties, a little bit of a mix in the central counties with rain in the south and eastern counties by that point in time. By Friday, we're looking at colder air in the 30s, blustery conditions with a northerly wind flow and speeds of at least 20 miles per hour near Lake Superior. So we're going to see some wet accumulating snow on Friday, especially in the higher elevations and across the western counties of the UP. To the south, not a whole lot in high intensities or high amounts for snowfall on Friday, but that snow will eventually taper off by the time Saturday morning rolls around. Snowfall amounts. Well, it looks like easily 4 to 6 inches of snow in the central counties of the UP and to the west, but higher elevations in the western counties could push around a foot of snow by the time Saturday arrives. If you're in the southern and eastern counties, we're looking at around 1 inch to 2 inches.